Today, I'll walk you through how to check your Snapchat followers, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to view your followers on Snapchat so you can better understand your audience. First, let's get started by opening your Snapchat app. This is the colorful ghost icon that you likely have on your home screen. If you don't see it right away, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just take a moment to locate it. Once you have the app open, the next step is to click on your profile. You can find your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It usually features your Bitmoji or a generic silhouette. Go ahead and tap on that icon to access your profile page. This is where all your Snapchat settings and information are located. Now from your profile page, you'll want to tap on the option labeled Public Profile. This section is specifically designed for users who want to share their content with a broader audience. If you don't see this option, it may be because you haven't set up a public profile yet, but don't worry if this takes a moment. It's a straightforward process. Once you're in the public profile section, you'll notice some key information about your account. Here, right beside your username, you can see the number of followers you have. For example, you might see something like 5 followers. But unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't allow you to see exactly who those followers are. It's a bit like having an audience at a concert. You know they're there, but you can't always see their faces. To summarize, we opened the Snapchat app, clicked on our profile, and then tapped on the public profile section to check our followers. Remember, while you can see the number of followers, Snapchat keeps the identities of those followers private. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.